As soon as you enter, you are greeted by your large living room space with open concept dining room area, your galley kitchen with wood cabinets, as we continue on, we'll first find bedroom number 1, and this is one of your guest rooms. It looks to have a full-size bed in it currently. It easily fits a full-size bed with large furniture. As we continue down, we have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 seems to have a full-size bed as well with plenty of space. There we have our guest bathroom. I'll have some details about when this was renovated. Shower tub combination. Bedroom number 3. So this is a spacious bedroom number 3 with access. And there we have a walk-in closet over there in blue. And then we have our guest bathroom, or a rather ensuite bathroom with a stand-up shower stall. Back through our living room area, you can pull up some bar stools there at your bar, or bring that out, open it up. Here is your spacious, even more spacious living room number 2. This door right here can create a separation where you have 2 separate living spaces. This room right here has your kitchen and all fully functional living room with your bedrooms on this side with a bathroom, or a couple bathrooms actually on this end of the hall. This door can be shut and turned into a little separate apartment. There's access outside through that sliding glass door right here. And so this could be used as a secondary living space with the bathroom through here, a Jack and Jill bathroom through your living area or office area, whatever you decide to use it as. And then go into the primary bedroom. There's your commode area. There's your sink. And here you have a beautiful new skylight. You've got your shower tub combination and beautiful tile work on the back. Then we have our primary suite or primary bedroom with reach-in closets galore. One here, one there, and one right here as well. This appears to be a full or queen size bedroom suite, and there is still plenty of room for more furniture or a different layout. They've separated this space to have a separate office space here. This is truly a home that you can make your own. I'm dying to show you what's outside, so bear with me. And here is the real gem of the house. No, it's not your beautiful yard building. No, no, no. It is your beautiful Brazilian paved swimming pool. So we have your Brazilian paved patio, I should say. And then you have your in the ground swimming pool. You got a little dolphin in there, it looks like. Large patio area. Huge. Huge space, privacy fenced. All new siding. I will have the dates for everything. You've got your Generac generator. Your pool equipment is safely tucked away in this little building right here. You've got your HVAC on the side, along with your electrical panel or solar panel equipment.